Now, this is a fun summer bottle that I just found at Dollar Tree. I picked that up and just a plain silver topped solar light. I like the fact that they're like plain silver around the edge of them this year and not like that diamond pattern. I also picked up some pink crushed glass since I have a lot of pink and fun going on this summer bottle. And this is such a fun, easy DIY. You can use it for summer decor. You can also use it for a summer party. I'm going to go ahead and put the whole bag of pink crushed glass in there. It's going to weigh it down since it's such a lightweight plastic bottle, make it a better piece for outdoors. But it's not going to take away from the design too much. And I think that crushed glass is going to look cute lit up at night. So then I just need to find a way to attach the solar light to the top. The Dollar Tree solar lights are a little bit bigger than what you're going to find at like Dollar General. They have a smaller one that I really like. If you don't want yours to be quite as big and bulky, but I'm going to show you how I get around that. So first I noticed that the crushed glass was a little dusty, so I'm going to give it a little dusting inside with some dry paintbrushes, try to get some of that dust off the sides, because the plastic really does kind of have like a clinging effect with that. And then I need like a wider base to glue this to properly. So I'm going to start with twine. And I just glue it to like where the bottle lid was screwed on this. And they have all kinds of fun summer patterns on these. I was just at Dollar Tree yesterday when I picked these up. I know they have back to school set at my store. And the only fall things they have so far are fall flowers. So my stores still have a lot of 4th of July. And they have a lot of summer stuff too. So I just glue that all the way to the top. It kind of gave me a wider base to glue the solar light on. I also cleaned it up to burn off any fuzzies just with a lighter. Now that I have like a little bit more room to glue to, I'm going to put glue around the plastic and the twine there all the way around. Just some hot glue and glue the solar light in place. I didn't really like how the top of the bottle was so skinny and my solar light was kind of big. So to kind of fill in that gap and make the transition a little bit more fun, I'm going to use some of the new macrame cord they have from Dollar Tree. And I have some in pink, so I thought that would go with my kind of pink theme on this. Very tropical. And just like the twine, I hot glued it. I'm just going to wrap it around. And I'm going to do that to kind of cover up my twine here. But it's also going to give me more of a transition between the width of the solar light and the bottle. And it just made it look way more balanced. So I was happy with it after that. I just cut and hot glue the end on there. Such an easy solar light DIY. Again, really fun for just summer decor. It's made out of plastic, so it's pretty durable as well. And it would be a great party solar light as well. I love Dollar Tree solar lights. They work really well for me. I've have some that I've been using for years. Summer vibes, less flamingo, very cute during the day. And look at that, how that crushed glass looks lit up at night